Kapalabhati. Caution: avoid this practice in case of cardiac conditions, epilepsy, hernia, gastric ulcers, and during menstrual cycle. Sit in any comfortable position. Close the eyes and relax the whole body. Inhale deeply through both the nostrils till you start experiencing fullness of the pelvic space and the chest expands. Expel the breath with forceful contractions of the lower abdominal muscles and let the inhalation be passive. Let us begin the first round of Kapalabhati with 20 strokes. Exhale deeply and relax. This is one round of Kapalabhati. Repeat 2 more rounds with 20 strokes each. Pranayama.